What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up dual monitors on your Mac. First, let's open up your system settings. From here, head over to the Display section. This will allow you to preview if your Mac is recognizing an external monitor. Make sure that your second monitor is powered on and properly connected to your Mac, either with USB-C, Thunderbolt, HDMI or DisplayPort. In some cases, you will need an adapter, depending on your Mac. After plugging it in, it will show up here. You can select your primary display and set the Use As option to Main Display, and the second one to Extended Display. Below, you will find a list of resolutions, which you can expand by enabling Show All Resolutions. If you're using macOS Tahoe or later, then these resolutions will largely affect the scaling of macOS and not adjust the actual monitor resolution. Setting a 4K monitor to 1920 by 1080 will in turn scale up the UI, but not lower the display resolution to 1080p. Below, you can set a color profile for your monitors. Make sure that the correct display is selected if this option is not visible to you. Next, set the refresh rate to the highest possible, or use the variable refresh rate option. This will come down to how you're using your Mac. If you experience flickering with the variable refresh rate, then set it to a fixed refresh rate. And if you experience screen tearing, then set it back to variable. Most users will not see a big difference, and in that case the variable option is better. You can set the next option to your personal preference, and at the bottom click Arrange to arrange your external monitors. You can move it on the sides or above and below of your main display. When holding the Option key pressed while in the display settings, the Night Shift button will switch to Detect Displays, which, when selected, will attempt to detect displays that have not been found automatically by macOS. This can help troubleshoot monitor detection problems. If you want to use your MacBook in clamshell mode, which means that your MacBook is closed but you're using an external monitor and peripherals, then make sure that your Mac is connected to a power source, otherwise it will not work. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.